how to find block automatic downloads settings on Samsung internet browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find block automatic download settings on Samsung internet browser. First thing, go to the browser and then click these three lines here in the bottom corner, and after you click on it, click settings and scroll down. Here you will find this one, browsing privacy dashboard. Click on it and then just click this one here, block automatic downloads. You can turn it off or on just by one click, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.